Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Anker PowerPort Atom 365 watt slim model. The packaging doesn't say much, it says Series 5 on the front. You can find these on anker.com, but also on Amazon Germany and Amazon in the US and so on. Check the link down below in the description. In the box we have a small user manual explaining some of the basics, but this is a simple product, so you don't really need this manual. I bought this in Germany, so I get the European plug for the Anker device, and it seems it comes with an adhesive strip if you want to glue or stick this charging prick to a table or something like that. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box, and this power brick has two USB-C ports and two USB-A ports. Doesn't come with any USB cable, so pretty easy to use. Just plug in the power cord and plug in your devices in the ports, and it gives that 65 watts in total of power. Once you plug it in, you get the blue light here, and once you plug in a cable, the light still stays blue, but I can see that this power bank is charging. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.